So in the last video, we saw the entire process right from leaving the house for Amsterdam airport to landing in Mumbai. If you have not seen the previous video and want to know the entire process of an evacuation flight, a card will pop up on the top right section of your screen right now. Do check that video first and you can come back to this one after watching that. So in this video, we will answer few questions like what is the quarantine process in India right now for international passengers? Can I directly quarantine myself at home? What if I want to travel domestic to a different state after landing in Mumbai? Can I directly go for a domestic flight? How are the quarantine facilities provided by the government? Will I be tested for COVID-19 during the quarantine? Do I have to pay for quarantine and COVID test, or is it taken care of by the government? So in this video, we will cover all these questions so you can get a better idea of the entire quarantine process. So for all the international passengers coming to India right now, the 7 days institutional quarantine is mandatory. After that, 7 days home quarantine. So in the last video, we saw there was a setup done by state government in Mumbai airport. So in this setup, various help desks were there with different state and district name written on it. So suppose if you want to go to West Bengal, then you have to go to the help desk of West Bengal. But in my case, I wanted to quarantine in Mumbai itself. So for Mumbai, the state government has already provided the list of quarantine facilities, and the same list will be provided by the authorities sitting on the help desk. If you want to check the list, this particular list is also available in Mumbai airport website, as you can see on the screen right now. I will provide all the necessary links in the description of this video, so do check it out. This list is specific to Mumbai, as few of my friends went to Hyderabad and there no such list was provided. Instead, only two options were given as a form of a package, that is medium or premium. So the quarantine options may differ state-wise. So in my case, I had already gone through this list before taking the flight and contacted various hotels to check availability and services, and booked one of the hotels beforehand. So the help desk authorities just noted down my hotel name in which I had done the booking and told us to get the bus from the exit which will drop us to our hotel. If you have selected Mumbai as a place for your quarantine, then the bus will be arranged by BMC, but you have to pay for the service. So the bus will go through fixed routes and will drop passengers in various hotels. But if you are planning to quarantine in different district of Maharashtra, then an additional travel pass and phone number of a nodal officer will be given to you. Once you reach the hotel, at the reception, basic formality would be done, like your passport number, Aadhaar card number would be taken, your luggage will be sanitized, temperature will be recorded, and finally you will be allowed to go to your room, where you will be quarantined for next 7 days. Talking about the meals, 3 meals are provided by the hotel right now, that is breakfast, lunch and dinner, and all of them are included in the booking cost. All the meals will be delivered by the room service in a box each time, and once you finish your meal, you have to keep the box outside the room, which will then be collected by the hotel staff. So initially 2-3 days you just have to take rest, and usually on 4th or 5th day doctors will come at the hotel to do the swab test, and once the sample is taken they will provide the result within 48 hours. So my result came exactly on the 7th day, that is the day of checkout, and since the result was negative, I was allowed to travel further. So apart from the test result, you will get a discharge certificate and a travel pass. In travel pass, you have to give your home address where you will quarantine yourself for the next 7 days. and a home quarantine stamp along with a date will be stamped on your hand by a medical officer. And after this, you will be allowed to travel further using the travel pass, whether you want to go to another state or a different city in Maharashtra. So that was it. I got a cab and traveled to my next destination. So overall, my experience of the entire quarantine process was good and scary at the same time, as few of the things are not in our hand despite being in quarantine, because even when you are quarantined, your meals are prepared and delivered by people who might interact and meet with other people. So there are a lot of things going behind the scene that you can't see and control. The only thing you can do in this entire 7 days when you are stuck inside a room is to follow a proper safety and hygiene protocol, and wish that people who are involved, right from the chef who is preparing your meal to the room service who is delivering your food, will remain healthy and maintain the same safety and hygiene protocol that you are doing inside your room.